We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a leading production technologist. Half a year ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. To enter the market of the Baltic countries, our company planned to expand the range of products and to start producing pills for diseases of the gastrointestinal tract of animals in the form of briquettes. According to the production technology, the pills should be further packed in a blister, which preserves the pills from the powder from the environment. To implement this task required the purchase of new, modern equipment, which would provide the formation of briquettes 3 by 3 centimeters in size. The choice of automatic equipment for pressing tablets was entrusted to me. I wanted to complete the task in the shortest possible time, to be able to work on another problem, which suddenly arose in the production area of powder for tablets. A breakdown of this equipment meant a work stoppage in the entire site, which I could not allow to happen. So I started looking for a tablet press, and I thought I would find the necessary equipment right away. I decided to look and compare the manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I did my search through the internet. I chose by location, delivery time, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen tablet press, and would send me to search again. I then looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I would be confident, who would deliver me a tablet press within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation about the equipment I wanted. The specialist told me about the features of the tablet press, sent me a video by email, and an instruction manual, where I could study everything in peace. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of the tablet press. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine. I sent a powder at the manager's request to test the equipment. It is made of stainless steel. The working area is covered with transparent plastic shields. Briquettes are formed from the powder, which is loaded into the hopper. Ready briquettes through a chute go to the place of collection. The machine arrived in 2 months. The pellet press is made of stainless steel. The controls are convenient and clear. I plan to use the services of a specialist from this company in the future, in case our company decides to purchase equipment for the production of products. In selecting any purchase, expert advice is necessary. The project is sure to be successful if this advice was received from a professional.